Hello, in this tutorial I will guide you on how to install and run the Kokoro 82M AI model locally on Windows using Conda. Kokoro is an open-weight TTS model with 82 million parameters. With Apache licensed weights, Kokoro can be deployed anywhere from production environments to personal projects. Let's get started. Step 1. Install Miniconda package. Navigate to Anaconda.com download. Register with Anaconda, if desired. Scroll down past the Anaconda distribution installers and select the 64-bit Windows Miniconda installer. Recommended, verify the integrity of your installer to ensure that it was not corrupted or tampered with during download. Go to your Downloads folder or Home folder if downloaded via CLI and double-click the installer to launch. Click Next and then agree to Anaconda's Terms of Service, TOS. Select an installation option. Just me, recommended. Select a destination folder to install Miniconda, then click Next. Customize your installation options. Click Install. The installation might take a few minutes to complete. Click Show details to view the packages being installed. Click Next twice, then click Finish to close the installer. To check if Miniconda has been successfully installed, open the Anaconda prompt on Windows and enter the command, Conda v. If successful, you will see the version number displayed, e.g., Conda 2611. Step 2. Install espeak-ng. Go to espeak-ng releases. Click on Latest Release. Download the appropriate MSI file, e.g., espeak-ng, MSI. Run the downloaded installer. Follow the installation wizard. If you have successfully installed espeak-ng on Windows, you can run the basic test commands. Espeak-ng, hello, this is a test.
Hello, this is a test.
Step 3. Create Conda environment. Use the following Conda environment, YML, if you're facing any dependency issues. To create a Conda environment, use the following command in Anaconda prompt. In the Anaconda prompt, navigate to the folder containing the environment, YML file. Conda env create f environment, YML. Python 3.1, Kokoro 094 and other libraries will be installed. To start using your new environment, activate it with this command, Conda activate Kokoro. Step 4. Create and run a Python script. The result will be the audio file output 0, WAV. Hello, this is Kokoro text-to-speech on Windows. Thanks for watching.